are going to love the 2020 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.